what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. Hey girl, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today I'm really excited. We're going to be doing this style that you see right here right now using some kinky straight clip-ins. So if you want to see how to get the look, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is how the clip-ins come. This is one of the two bundles that it comes with. It comes with two bundles of the same length. And look at her, she's flowy and stuff. So it comes with, each bundle comes with 1 4-clip weft, 2 3-clip wefts, 3 2-clip wefts, and 2 1-clip wefts. And this is what it looks like. I'm only going to be using one bundle for this style, but the set comes with 2, like I said. And this is how I have my hair like parted and stuff. I'm gonna just have the back braided, the front portion in the pony, and then little side bang out. And I left a little bit of hair out so I could, like, you know, cover up the tracks. But yeah, starting off with 1 2-clip weft at like the nape, and then we're going in with a 3-clip weft. And as you can see, like, the combs are very secure to the weft. Like, it's still nice and thin, it's not bulky at all, but the little strip of fabric that the clips are sewn onto is really secure. And like I said, like, they lay nice and flat. Like, they aren't super heavy, they aren't super bulky. Like, they feel very comfortable on the head, very light. And even though I had braids, they were very easy to like get on. So I really appreciate that. I just really love these clip-ins. Like, I think they feel nice, they look nice, they feel good on the head. Like, you know, I'm really into it. But yeah, so I feel like this portion is not really, like, I don't need to tell you exactly how many clips or what clips I put where, because everybody's kind of head shape is different. And so where I might need a 2-clip weft, you might need a 3-clip weft. You get me? So now for the ponytail portion, I'm just gonna take the hair and braid it, because I'm gonna use like a bundle, a kinky straight bundle that I just had laying around in my little hair vault. And I'm gonna take a rubber band and wrap it around the braid so it kind of makes it a little bit more sturdy and stiff. And then I'm gonna start wrapping, and I don't usually use pins. Like, I just kind of use the track and then wrap some hair around it to secure it, and then wrap the track and then wrap some hair around it to secure it. You get what I'm saying? So I'm just going to use some hair, wrap it around, and that's how I kind of secure the track. Just like doing faux locks. Like, you just kind of, you don't really need anything for real to secure it initially, except wrapping around it. So that's what I'm doing. And I wish that I would have went in with the flat iron to kind of like flatten out those kind of like kinks right there, but it's all good, it worked out. So really quickly, let's talk a little bit more about the clip-ins as I wrap this pony. Each bundle is about 120 grams, and like I said, the set comes with 2 bundles of the same length. So if you were to order, you would order 2 16s or 2 18s or whatever the case may be, because they come in a set. Like, you can't mix and match. But yeah, the clip-ins are really good quality. They are very well constructed, they are durable, and I just really like them a lot, and I can't wait to play around with them. But like I said, as you see, I'm wrapping a pony, and I'm going to, once I get to the base, take some hair and kind of wrap it around to cover up the tracks and the scrunchie that I used. And I have a track in the bang right there, but I'm actually going to take it out because it just wasn't really necessary, and I'm just going to leave my own hair right there. And then I also went and curled the hair off camera because I really just ran a flat iron through it a few times, and that was that. Okay, so we are all done. I threw on a little bit of foundation, some bronzer, a little bit of concealer, some lashes or whatever, and so this is the final look. I am in love with these clip-ins, okay? Like, I'm very excited to do like a lot of different styles with them. Like, I am in love with these. Okay, and I feel like you always see this style, but it's always with like the super silky straight. Like, let's throw a little bit of kink in there, okay? Like, this is a very like
feminine girly type of a hairstyle, which, you know, I don't really do super girly. Like, I'm not really like a super girly type of a girl, but I like this. I think it's really, really cute. And although my hair is like OD brown, like it's blending really, really well with the clip-ins. Like, you really can't even tell, as well as like my hair texture is blending good with the clip-ins too. And I didn't like straighten them. I just used the blow dryer to like blow out all of like the kind of like crinkles that was in it, and I used the curling iron on the ends, but I didn't like straighten it out. Like, I didn't use a hot tool to like straighten the hair out. You get what I'm saying? So it really matches my texture, like with my hair straightened perfectly. Okay, so I'm gonna go. I'm in love, like I said. But if you're interested in these clip-ins, I will leave the direct link down in the description box for you to check them out. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Drop that in the comments and let me know what you thought of the video, and subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. Take the time to do so now, okay? And I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace.